Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1934, a Mickey Mouse balloon flew in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade for the first time, 6 years after his debut in Steamboat Willie. The balloon was 40 feet tall, 26 feet wide, and required 25 handlers to operate. In a stroke of misfortune, the original balloon was destroyed in a fire shortly before the parade day. A replacement was constructed in about a week. Since 1934, there have been 4 versions of Mickey Mouse to fly in the parade, and his first appearance was 90 years ago. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, have a magical day.